Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study faster using AI. First, identify your learning goals and the specific AI tools that can help. Consider using AI for summarizing, generating questions, or creating personalized study guides. This approach can significantly reduce your study time and improve comprehension. Let's dive into the practical steps to integrate AI into your study routine effectively. One powerful way AI helps is by summarizing lengthy materials. Simply input your articles, textbooks, or notes, and the AI will extract the most important points. This allows you to grasp core concepts much faster, potentially cutting your reading time by half. You can then spend more time on active recall and deeper understanding, rather than just passively reading. It's a game changer for efficiency. Next, leverage AI to generate practice questions tailored to your study material. This is incredibly effective for active recall. If you answer incorrectly, the AI provides immediate, clear explanations, helping you understand where you went wrong. This personalized feedback loop strengthens your knowledge and fills gaps quickly. It's like having a personal tutor available 24 hours a day. Finally, AI can personalize your entire study journey. It analyzes your performance and suggests optimal review schedules, ensuring you revisit topics at the perfect time for maximum retention. The AI can also pinpoint your weak areas, allowing you to focus your efforts where they are most needed. This adaptive learning approach makes your study sessions highly efficient and incredibly effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.